that you've chosen your state standards, it's time to build out your lesson plan narrative. On this page, you'll find several options for customizing your lesson. Add student interest to make the lesson more engaging. Include any materials your students will need. Generate new prompts for the AI to guide how the lesson is written. Upload existing curriculum to blend with your new plan. Choose between follow-up lesson plans or simple cut and dry lesson plans that you can edit later. Or even mix and match. For example, add student interests and materials while also uploading curriculum. Once everything is set, you can generate your narrative. The AI will create a draft that weaves together your chosen standards, student interests, and materials. From here, you'll be able to select the narrative you like best and move forward with your completed lesson plan.